One is the fragmented data source. So we have data sitting somewhere. That is one of the challenges that we are trying to, when it comes to collecting of data. The other one is the lack of proper coordination to ensure data is collected. There is no mechanism to ensure that other units feel that they have the purpose of submitting the data to the central statistics unit. And I think the lack of support that is provided to ensure data collection processes are adhered to by the officers. In other words, lack of resources to support us to ensure that the processes that we establish, we go out and ensure officers are trained to be able to implement those processes. I believe we need more of these workshops. There's regional workshops where we come and learn from each other, because it helps us to realize some of the weaknesses that we have. It also helps us to realize the strengths that we have, and also some opportunities that we learn of from our colleagues to help us improve our system back home. I believe the support from ECAP and UIS is very important, because they create a platform where regional countries, we can come together and share experiences. And like I've mentioned, we also learn together from each other. So I think this kind of workshops organized by UIS, ECAP, even SPC are very important in that regards. We wanted to establish a mechanism, a core group to coordinate the process of data collection and reporting. And the other thing that we have been discussing is to do the mapping of all the indicators, the UIS, the paragraph indicators, and also the national indicators, to ensure the tools of collecting those information at the school level is aligned. So we only use one tool to collect the data, but the data fits all the indicators from the national to the paragraph and to the UIS.